Tinokuchingamidzai mhuri yeZimbabwe panapa paHarare Networks pamuri kupiwa nhau dziri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Naizvozvo tinotenda nekuuya kwese kwamaita tichiti don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Right, tiri kudzoka isu takatakura nyaya iri kuziviswa mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Nezuro kune mashoko akatenderera zvichinzi pane chikwata chema-army generals pamwe chete nema-war vet chiri kunzi icho chakafaila mapepa. Anovari mapepa ari kuchallenja kuti kana pasina referendum hapana bumbiro remutemo riri kuzopasiswa muZanu-PF. Right, tinoona isusu kuti nhasi pazobudiswa a top secret maererano nekuti why ma-army generals ari kuda kubloka Mnangagwa term extension. Right, saka nyaya izere iri kunzipo pane ma-concerned about too much power in office yava Mnangagwa. Tikuona isusu kuti nhau dzekuextendwa kwetemu yavo pane vamwe vari kudzibvuma kuzota vamwe vasiri kudzibvuma. Saka naizvozvo toona isusu kuti kuma-army generals, especially kuma-retired army generals, ndo vari kunziva vari kutsika-tsika vachiti tanga maisa referendum patable zvinhu zvese zvikuzofamba mune zvakanaka, nekuti referendum ndipo panosarudzwa kana kuti panoitwa mavoting ekubvuma kuti constitution iyi yopinda muvanhu here. Dzinova dziri nhau dzataya tinadzo panapa paHarare Networks, patinozokumbira kuti mugare makasubscribe kuitira kuti mugare muchizonzwawo nhau idzi padzinenge dzichizotaurika. Zimbabwe's political landscape is once again drawing intense attention after reports emerging suggest that senior figures within the security establishment may be taking a cautious stance against the proposed constitutional changes linked to President Emmerson Mnangagwa. For several years, the administration that came into power following the 2017 political transition has been described as the new dispensation. During that period, the military leadership played a key role in shaping the country's political direction. However, recent developments suggest that some influential voices within the Defense Forces establishment may now be calling for a more cautious approach to constitutional reform. At the center of the debate is the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 of 2026, which has generated significant discussion across Zimbabwe political spectrum. The proposed legislation introduced several major adjustments to Zimbabwe's government structures. One of the most debated proposals is the extension of the presidential term from 5 to 7 years. If adopted, this change could potentially affect the political timetable for the current administration. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who is currently serving his second term, is constitutionally expected to step down in 2028. However, supporters of the amendment urge that adjusting the term length could provide more time for long-term development programs to be completed. Another significant proposal within the bill involves changes the way the president is elected. Instead of the current system where citizens vote directly, the amendment suggests that the president could be elected by members of parliament. In addition, the proposal would expand the Senate by allowing the president to appoint additional Senate, increasing the chamber's total membership. The bill was represented by Justice Minister Ziyambi, who urged that the reforms are intended to strengthen political stability and ensure continuity in national development policy. Despite those explanations, the proposed changes have triggered intense debate among political leaders, civil society groups, and analysts. Some critics urge that altering the presidential election system and extending the term of office could significantly reshape Zimbabwean democratic framework. Opposition figures have also raised concern about the timing and scope of the proposed reform. Among of them is political leaders Jameson Timber, who has been warned that the amendment could increase political tension if not handled carefully. Groups advocating for constitutional protection have also indicated that they are exploring legal and political avenues to challenge or review the proposed changes. Amid the growing debate, reports indicate that some influential figures within the security establishment may support the idea of a national referendum before any major constitutional change are implemented. A referendum would allow citizens to vote directly or whether the proposed amendment should become law. Supporters of this approach urge that changes to the country's supreme law should involve the direct participation of the public. They say a national vote would provide clarity and legitimacy on such critical matter. This suggestion has added a new dimension to Zimbabwe's ongoing political discussion. The debate over the constitutional reform is unfolding at a time when many Zimbabweans are closely watching developments in the national politics. Issues such as economic challenges, governance reform, and public accountability continue to shape political discourse across the country. Because of this proposal to hold a referendum could become a major national conversation, with the citizen, political parties, and civil society organizations all play a role in shaping the outcome. The proposed constitutional amendment bill is expected to go through parliamentary process before any final decision is made. If lawmakers approve the bill, it could still face further debate, legal challenges, or calls for broader consultation with the public. Ultimately, the direction taken by Zimbabwe's leadership will play a crucial role in shaping the country's political future and governance framework. For now, the nation is watching closely as discussion continue around constitutional reform, leadership transition, and the balance of power within the political system. Right, saka ndiyo imwe nyaya iri mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Tionese kuti inaudze referendum ndodzeka dziri kunetsa pakatanga pagadziriswa kuti bumbiro ravo rova rine referendum, vanhu voisa mavhota avo. Yes, bumbiro remutemo rinogona kufamba mune zvakanaka kana pachinge paiswa referendum paonekwa kunzi zviri kutaura muconstitution vanhu vari kuzvibvuma here. Right, ndodzanga muchibata pano paHarare Networks patinenge tichidropa latest news inside Zimbabwe. Don't forget to subscribe channel yedu kuitira kuti munge muchinzwa dzimwe news.